The best natural remedy for nail fungus is aloe vera. And today, you're going to learn a powerful step-by-step method that can completely restore your nails and bring them back to life. This is not just a simple home remedy. This is a complete natural treatment process that targets fungus, repairs damaged nails, and improves overall nail health from the root. Make sure you watch this till the end, because the final steps and bonus tips will make a huge difference in your results. Let's begin. First, we take a fresh aloe vera leaf. Always try to use a fresh leaf because it contains the highest amount of active healing compounds. Aloe vera is known worldwide for its powerful antifungal, antibacterial, and skin-repairing properties. It doesn't just work on the surface. It goes deep into the skin and helps repair damage from within. Now we pour water over the stem of the aloe vera and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step might look simple, but it's extremely important. It helps activate the plant's natural enzymes and makes the gel more concentrated. When the gel becomes more active, it works faster and gives better results. After waiting, we carefully peel the aloe vera leaf and remove the outer green layer. Inside, you will see a clear, thick gel. This is the most valuable part of the plant. This is where all the power lies. This gel contains more than 200 active ingredients, including vitamins A, C, E, and B complex, along with minerals like zinc and magnesium, and essential amino acids. These nutrients are incredibly beneficial for your nails. They help kill fungus, reduce swelling, and speed up the healing process. Aloe vera also helps regenerate damaged skin and nails. If your nails are weak, brittle, or discolored, this step is going to be very important for you. Another major benefit is improved blood circulation. When blood flow increases, nutrients reach your nails faster, which helps them grow stronger and healthier. At the same time, aloe vera creates a protective layer on the skin that prevents bacteria, dirt, and infection from entering again. Now we take this fresh gel and put it into a mixing bowl. Next, we beat the gel until it becomes smooth and slightly foamy. This step improves the texture and makes the gel easier to apply. More importantly, it helps release the healing compounds more effectively, so your skin can absorb them better. When the gel becomes light and even, it spreads easily over the nails and surrounding skin, giving you maximum coverage. Now we carefully pour this whipped aloe vera gel into a clean container. Next, we add 30 ml of olive oil. Olive oil is not just an extra ingredient. It plays a very important role in this remedy. It enhances the power of aloe vera and makes the treatment even more effective. It deeply nourishes the skin around your nails and prevents dryness. Dry skin often leads to cracks and infections, so keeping it soft is very important. Olive oil also strengthens the nail structure and prevents chipping and breaking. If your nails are weak or thin, this step will help restore their strength. It is rich in vitamins A, E, and K, which further support nail growth and improve blood circulation. Now we add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural healing ingredients. It has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It improves blood microcirculation, which means it helps nutrients travel deeper into the skin and reach the problem area faster. It also soothes the skin, reduces irritation, and removes redness. If your nails or surrounding skin are inflamed, this will help calm everything down. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth and consistent mixture. Once done, place this mixture in the refrigerator for a few hours. Cooling the mixture helps stabilize the ingredients and makes the remedy more refreshing and effective during application. At this point, take a moment and comment below which country you are watching from. I always love seeing where everyone is from. Now let's move to the next part of the process. Take the aloe vera peel and cut it into medium-sized pieces, then place them into a bowl. Now take half a lemon and cut it into slices. Lemon is very useful because it has natural cleansing and antifungal properties. It helps remove dirt, reduces odor, and creates an environment where fungus cannot survive easily. Now place the lemon slices into a pot. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves are extremely powerful when it comes to improving nail health. They help speed up cell renewal, which means your nails repair themselves faster and grow stronger. Cloves also have natural antibacterial properties that protect your nails from further infection. Now add 1 liter of cold water into the pot. Place the pot on the stove and let it boil for about 5 minutes. As the water heats up, all the ingredients release their active compounds into the liquid. This creates a strong natural treatment solution that works deeply on the skin. After boiling, pour the water into a bowl and let it cool slightly. You can add a little cold water to make it comfortable for your feet. Now we begin the application. Place your feet into the bowl and keep them soaked for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is very important because it allows the active ingredients to penetrate deep into the skin and nails. During this time, the solution works on softening the skin, opening the pores, and preparing your nails to absorb the main treatment. After soaking, remove your feet and gently dry them with a clean towel. Now take the aloe vera mixture and apply it directly onto your nails and the surrounding skin. Make sure you cover the entire area properly so that every part receives the treatment. For even better results, wrap the treated area with a soft gauze or cloth. This step helps lock the moisture and keeps the product in place for a longer time. It also improves absorption, allowing the ingredients to work deeper and more effectively. Leave this compress on for about 2 to 3 hours. The longer it stays, the better the results will be. You can store the remaining mixture in the refrigerator for up to 7 days and use it daily. Apply this remedy every day for 1 week. Within a few days, you will begin to notice visible improvements. Your nails will start looking cleaner, smoother, and healthier. By the end of the week, they will feel stronger and more resistant to damage. Now here are some bonus tips that will boost your results even more. Always keep your nails clean and dry. Fungus grows faster in moisture, so dryness is very important. Avoid wearing tight or closed shoes for long hours, especially if your feet sweat a lot. Try to give your feet some fresh air daily. This helps reduce moisture and improves overall skin health. If possible, trim your nails regularly and keep them short. This prevents fungus from spreading further. And most importantly, stay consistent. Natural remedies work best when used regularly. This method not only removes fungus but also improves blood circulation, strengthens your nails, repairs damaged skin, and protects against future infections. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share your feedback. Your support helps bring more powerful natural remedies like this.